Hello! In this video, I will show you how to configure the Product Selection add-on. Go to the Affiliate Press Add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature add-ons. Now to the Active Button Product Selection add-on and activate the add-on. Add-on is activated now. Click to Configure button. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page where you can see all the integrations. Now, enable the WooCommerce integration. A new option shows in the last allowed products. Now, search for the products and select them. Select multiple products for your requirement, and this selected product commission product. Now click to Save button and save your changes. Now, changes saved, go to the Affiliates page. This is the Manage Affiliates user page. Here you can see the affiliate user records. Copy the affiliate user's affiliate link and go to the front-end side. Now, first purchase the selected product. This is the WooCommerce checkout page. Enter the following details and select the payment method and click to Place Order button. See, the product is purchased. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Manage Commission page where you can see the commission related recorded. See, the first recode is blue denim shorts. Now, go to the front side again and purchase a product without selecting. See the product detail and click to Place Order button. Now, see the new product successfully purchased, go to the back-end side and reload the page. See, the new record is not added because purchased product was not selected in the Allow Product sections. Also, Affiliate Press provides multiple integrations for the Product Selection add-on.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.